Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another drugstore product review. Now you have seen me use this product multiple times and now I am ready to give you guys my overall thoughts about this product. And what I'm talking about is actually the Milani Brow Fix Kit. And I got the shade number 2, so if you guys want to know my thoughts and if you guys want to know how I created this look right here, yes, I used it for my eyes as well. And of course my brows. Then please keep on watching. So originally this brow powder is $7.99 and I got mine at CVS for $5. The whole entire packaging is made out of plastic and at the back you will be able to see some details and it gives you a little instruction on how to create your brows using the product. And this is what it looks like when it's opened. Let's talk about all of the contents that is included in this kit. So you have a tweezer. Now this tweezer is actually made in very good quality and you have this little angled brush right here. This is actually very thin and in my opinion you can use it for a winged eyeliner as well or for just like a liner, but it is very tiny, perfect for traveling. And lastly, you have this sponge applicator tip. So I'm guessing this is something that you can use to highlight your brow bone. So just a quick preview again on what the palette looks like. And underneath the tools, you will see a mirror and it's actually magnified, which is pretty cool. Now, I would like to show you guys some really cool swatches. So at least you guys have an idea on what the colors look like. I think that this would be perfect if you have blonde hair, but this is the only shade that they have at the time. So let's go ahead and try this on. I'm going to comb my brows as the usual, and I'm actually letting them grow at the moment. And I'm thinking of reshaping them in a different way. That's why I wanted for them to grow, you know, fully. Now I'm going to grab this shade, and I will show you how I use this product. So using the light brown, I am going to shape my brows. I'm going to start at the bottom and then after that I'm going to, you know, draw another line at the top. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm creating a stencil for my brow and then after that we are going to fill it in. And once I'm satisfied, I'm going to the next shade, which is the darker shade. So I don't usually, you know, it just really depends on my mood. Sometimes I use the light and the dark. Sometimes I just use one color because to me, they kind of end up looking the same anyways. Because I always use a spoolie afterwards. So I'm not very meticulous when it comes to my brows. Normally I just use one shade and go. But I would really like to show you guys, you know, how to use all of these. And yes, this kit has a magnifying mirror. At first I was confused because I always put my mirror so close to my face and when I zoomed it out, I was like, oh, it's magnified. It was so tiny, I thought it was useless, but it does make sense to me now that I just discovered that it is magnified. So this is what the brow look like. And now we are going to move on to my other brow and I will be using the same technique. So girl, nothing really special, same technique, and I'm actually surprised, girl, that this angled brush is performing well. I think it would be perfect if, oh, sorry about that, John Ray's yelling, and I can't say anything right now because it's his birthday, and I would actually like to share to you guys what I got for him, but he said, like, can we wait till my family gets here because I want to show it off? So after that, I'll show you guys what I got for him, but to me, it's pretty cool, and I'm proud of my investment. I would say investment because I'm pretty stuck with him, and, you know, I want to make him happy. Okay, so we're almost done. After that, I am going to prime my whole eye area and do my eyes. So to start, I am going to get this highlight shade right here and put that on my brow bone. And because I don't want this look to look like very shimmery or metallic-y, I'm just going to focus that there. And usually, if you guys know me, I don't like putting something shimmery under my brow bone. I would put like a white eyeshadow or a yellow eyeshadow, but not like a metallic shadow. I just feel like it's not for me. And then after that, I'm going to grab the brown shade and apply that on my crease, which is the brown one, the lighter one, at least to give it a little transition. So I already feel like this eye look is going to look like a freaking snowflake, but I'm doing it so you guys could see what it actually looks like. So I'm just going to load my brush, and this is a crease brush, as you guys could see. I'm just going to directly buff that on my crease, and then after that we are going to get the brow 2, which is the darker brown shade, and apply that all over my lid area. And once I am satisfied with the intensity of the color, I'm going to grab my Sex Kitten liner from Tarte and create a winged eyeliner because I'm feeling that right now. Then after that, we are going to pop on some lashes, and then the brow 2 shade, I'll also apply that under my eyes to give it a really nice smoky effect. So I'm sorry if it's not included in the video, only God knows where the clip is at right now. And this is the final makeup look, guys. So overall, for a drugstore product, I would say that it's actually good, and I would totally recommend it if you are looking for a new brow powder to try on. So it's going to be up to your personal preference. There's so many drugstore products out there that are performing like a high-end brand, but this one, it's long-lasting and it's amazing. That's pretty much it for today, guys. I think this is an amazing product that you should try. The only comment that I have is that I wish they would come out with a lot of colors, so, you know, people would have options. Because even if I use this one, what if I change my hair color? You know what I mean? So I do hope that they would have more options in the future. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.